Hi everyone, this is Ira from Team Zionverse and we're back with another episode of Web3 School Season 2. A lot of people are getting interested in building a career in the blockchain industry. But when you search online for career opportunities, most of the articles or videos cover the tech part of things or just talk about blockchain development. This has kept all of the creatives out there thinking if blockchain industry has a lot of creative opportunities or not. And the answer is yes, it does. So in today's video, we're going to look at creative opportunities in the Web3 space. So let's start with the foundation, and that is UI UX. Web3 space is all about tech products, and since the majority of products are retail focused, there is dire need for great people who understand UI UX. Right now, a lot of Web3 apps are clunky and do not offer a great experience, and that opens up a lot of doors for people who can help design products in this space, which are intuitive, creative, and have a great visual appeal and experience for the end users. Moving on to 3D art and animation. As you might have seen, NFTs and Web3 gaming projects are one of the most popular types of products in this space. Gaming opens doors of Web3 to the masses, and all games require people from visual art, animation, 3D, and design background. Additionally, since Web3 is much more about community engagement, a big requirement also arises for graphic designers, be it for social media content or be it for advertising. And guess what? This is not an exhaustive list of opportunities at all. There are tons of other creative opportunities in Web3 for people who are creatively inclined. So let us know in the comments below if you think we missed one. See you next time.